Hello friends, myself Professor Rajkumar Landge from NB Navle, Sinhagad Engineering College. I have working in electrical engineering department. I having a 10-year experience in teaching field. Hello friends, in last video lecture we have to study the theory regarding the DC distribution system, as well as there will be some derivation point, and according to that point we have to solve some problems. So let's start. First problem. The first problem is a 250 meter a 250 meter 2-wire DC distributor fed from one end is loaded uniformly at the rate of 1.6 ampere per meter. The resistance of each conductor is 0.0002 ohm per meter. Find the voltage necessary at the feed points to maintain 250 volt. First, at the far end. Second, at the midpoint of the distributor. So just one is the writing correction. Resistance of each conductor is 0.3 times 0 2 ohm, but in the slide only the 20 you have to be observing, so there will be the writing mistake. So you have to take that resistance of each conductor is 0.0002 ohm per meter, that is the 3 times 0. Okay, so this will be the problem at a distributor feed at one end with the uniformly loaded. So in that problem they have to given the current, that is the small I. So that is the current loading. So small I is equal to 1.6 ampere per meter. So they also given to the resistance of each conductor is the 0.0002 ohm per meter, and feeding point voltage they have to be given, that is the 250 volt. So this will be the given data. So let's start find the values. So take the first current loading small I is equal to 1.6 ampere per meter. Okay, next, so whatever the current entering in the distributor, so how much current entering in the distributor is nothing but small I into L. So this much the current will be entering. So put the value 1.6 into 250. So length is the 250. So it will becomes 400 ampere. So entire distributor current is the 400 ampere. So current entering, so how much the current will be entering, that is the 400 ampere. The resistance of the distributor per meter is small r is equal to 2 into 0.0002, and it will become small r is equal to 0.0004 ohm. Then total resistance of the distributor. So total resistance will be the, it should be multiplied by the length. So it will become like that: capital R is equal to small r into L. So put the value 0.0004 into 250, and it will become 0.1 ohm. So that will be the total resistance of the distributor, that is the capital R. Then voltage drop over the entire distributor. So how much the voltage drop of the whole distributor? So it will become uh, uh, we already derived that equation, okay. So it will come to 1 by 2 IR. So put the value 1 by 2 into I value is the 400 into resistance is the 0.1. So it will become 20 volt. So voltage drop over the entire distributor is the 20 volt. So that the voltage at feeding point, so it will be the going to be equating. So it is come to like that: 250 plus 20 is equal to 270 volt. Now the voltage drop up to a distance of x meter from feeding point. So we just remember that in that equation we have to taking the x distance for calculation purpose. So here the x is nothing but the half of the length. So x is equal to L by 2 is equal to, so L nothing but the 250 divided by 2. Then x is equal to 125 meter. Okay. So now the equation of the voltage drop up to the distance of x meter from feeding point is equal to IR in bracket Lx minus x square divided by 2. So put the value. So I is the 1.6. So here is the I is the small I. So that small I value is the 1.6 into resistance 0.0004 in bracket L 250 into 125 minus 125 square divided by 2, it will become 15 volt. So that voltage at feeding point is the 250 plus 15 is equal to 265 volt. So this much the voltage at feeding point. So it will become to 265. Okay. So take the next problem. So next problem is the load distribution on a 2-wire DC distributor is shown in figure. The cross sectional area of each conductor is 0.27 centimeter square, comma, the end point A, that is the capital A, is supplied at 250 volt. The resistivity of the wire is rho is equal to 1.78 micro ohm centimeter. Calculate first the current in each section of the conductor. Second, the two core resistance of each section. Third, the voltage at each tapping point. Okay, so this will be the our problem, and in that problem they have to given to the diagram. So as shown in diagram, at feeding point A, the 250 voltage, it is the feeding at point A, and they have to given to the distance. So AB distance is the 75 meter, BC 100 meter, CD 50 meter, and at the tapping point the current will be like that. At B tapping the current is 12 ampere. At tapping point C current 15 ampere, and at point D 20 ampere. So they have to be given the diagram already in the problems. Okay, so calculate the one by one. So just we have to observing that first we have to calculating the current in the each section. Okay, so the current at various point we have to be observing, that is the 12 ampere, 15 ampere and 20 amperes. Okay, so this will be the current will be tapping. So if you have adding that current, if you are adding that current, and that much current should be in that feeding point A, that means if you are adding that means 12 plus 15 plus 20, so it will become to 47 ampere. So this 47 ampere current will be at the section of AB. So at the current in the section is nothing but the 47 ampere. Okay, so out of 47 ampere, at point B the 12 ampere will be the tapping. So just you have to be minus, that is the 47 minus 12 ampere. So this much current will be the at the section of BC, and that current will be the 35 ampere. And out of that 35 ampere, just you have to be minus the 15 ampere current at that point C from the 35. Then you have to get the current, it will be the 20 ampere in the section CD. So like that we have to calculating the current at each section. So we have to concluding that the current in the section AB, that is the IAB, is equal to 47 ampere, and current in the section BC, that is the IBC, is equal to 35 ampere, and current in the section CD, that is the ICD, is equal to 20 ampere. So like that we have to calculating the current in the various section. Next is the single core resistance of the section of 100 meter length. So we have to calculating the resistance at the 100 meter length. For that, R is equal to rho L by A. Put the value, then it will become R is equal to 0.066 ohm. Then resistance per 100 meter of the distributor, that is nothing but 2 into resistance of 0.066, it will become 0.132 ohm. Then the resistances of the various section are, so resistance at section AB, that is nothing but RAB is equal to 0.132 into 75 divided by 100. So you have to be check that if is the resistance is the per 100 meter is the 0.132, so that the how much resistance in the how much resistance will be 75 meters. So like that we have to be calculating, means 100 meter per 100 meter resistance is the 0.132, then how much the resistance of 75 meter. So like that we have to be calculating, and it will become like that. So resistance at section AB, that is the RAB, is equal to 0.099 ohm. So like that calculate the resistance at various section, that is the RBC, that is the resistance in section BC. So RBC is equal to 0.132 into 100 by 100. So RBC is equal to 0.132 ohm. Similarly, resistance at section CD, that is the RCD, is equal to 0.132 into 50 divided by 100. So it will become RCD is equal to 0.066 ohm. Now the voltage at various tapping point. Okay, so voltage at tapping point B is nothing but VB is equal to VA minus IAB plus IAB into RAB. So already we have to be calculating that value, the current of the various section and resistance at various section. So just put the values. So VB is equal to VA minus IA into RAB. VA minus IAB minus RAB. Put the value. Then come to value of voltage at tapping point B is nothing but 245.35 volt. Then voltage at tapping point C is equal to VC is equal to VB minus IBC into RBC. So just put the value 245.35 minus 35 into 0.132, so it will become 240.73 volt. Next, the voltage at tapping point D is equal to VD is equal to VC minus ICD into RCD. So just putting the value, it will become VD is equal to 239.41 volt. So like that we have to calculate the values, current in the various section, resistance at various section, and voltage at different tapping point. Okay. So I hope that we have to be understood. If you not understood, please ask me. Okay, so thank you very much.